Hello and welcome back to IA News. This is your reporter Shruti Awadi. Today, students attended Healthcare Friday. Now, let's see what they had to say.
Today I attended the fetal pig dissection. Well, a few of the things that we learned were some of the organs, such as the liver, the heart, the spleen, and many other different organs that we will be learning about in the future, about anatomy and stuff.
Then we asked for the tool used.
Oh, we used the scalpel.
Wow, this event looks super fun. Let's find out what her favorite part was.
My favorite part of the dissection was actually seeing the internal parts of the body of the pig in person. Like, you usually see them, in videos and in pictures, but it's actually really cool to see it actually in person. And then also working with other people as well.
Here's another clip from the dissection. But wait a minute, will she still consider the pathway after this?
I would, yeah, for sure. You learn a lot of different things about the internal body, the external body, and it's just really a cool pathway in general.
Well, that's it for IA News, and we'll see you at the next Healthcare Friday.